Hi everybody. Today I am going to show you how to give a name to a cell or a range of cells. Let's take first the cell. Suppose I take this cell. So I want to put the name of this cell. So I shall go define name and look at already total profit with underscore. It is already came. Now the thing is I could give the name here also. This C5, this is the cell reference or cell address, this place. But if I put accept this name, what is here in this window, and I click OK. Another important things, you keep workbook. Here there is option to select worksheet, but we are not going, we will use workbook because it is important. If it is workbook, then I can use these options for any worksheet. So okay, you see right away name appears here for this, because when you click any cell it shows here cell reference or cell address like E5, E6, E7, but when I click here it shows total profit. Already I put the name from here. Now if I go other sheet, suppose I want that amount here, so only typing the name I get the things. You see here total profit. Total profit it came here. Press enter, you get it. Now range of cells. Suppose I want to select this full range. I want to put the name. Now here I will type. What is that? Item cost. Item underscore cost. Item underscore cost. Press enter. Already name is here, item cost. So we got the name. Now if I want this range here like before, I shall type item cost. I put only IT, right away it came. So it came here, item cost. So press here, you get the results. Full item, it appears here. Now I shall take this full data set. Even if I highlight this full data set, say this way, I want to give a name, not like writing any words, like I don't want to put month, quantity sold, variable cost. I don't want to put any name by writing. What I will do, I will go create from selection. Here it is written top row and left column. I mean these all the names and all these names, top row, left column, all are selected. So if I click OK, So it is done. Now here benefit is, if I want any column, I get it. How? Suppose I want total cost. I will go there. I will write here, say equal to total cost. Already I got here. Total cost I got. If I press 200 to 800, look at 200 to 800 already I got. Even if I go quantity sold, type here quantity sold, it will appear. So we can bring range of column. Also I can bring full data set. What I will do, I will type month. Equal to, just I put MON, month it came. Now if I click here, you see full data set came here. Only writing month, full. So without going to other sheet, we can bring the data in our desired sheet only by putting the name. Now we'll go for Sumproduct. How to find the Sumproduct? Suppose here I have items, units sold, prices. This revenue I get price multiplied by units sold. So here look at E5 asterisk F5. So I got this multiplied by this, I get these results. Now I can bring all the results. Clicking here, just pull this up to here, release it, you get all the values. Now to get the sum, I use auto sum, or I can use type the formula also, but I am doing it fast, so I use auto sum. Already I got sum of H5 H14 from here to here, so I got it 5278. Now what is Sumproduct? Sumproduct means without doing all these things, if we have two range of data as a column or as a row, here it is a column, sometimes we are getting as a row. So how to get this sum? Directly multiplying this column and this column. So the formula will be Sumproduct. I have to put here equal sign must. So Sumproduct, I have to put bracket, then I have to use this range. This range means E5 and E14. So E5 colon E14, these two. I can put comma here, then I can go for this F5 colon F14, bracket, finish. So it is clear these two columns are already highlighted. So if I now press enter, I get the results. This is sum product. Without doing all these things, just directly from the two columns range of data, we can get the sum product. Now here I will show you absolute referencing. What is that? Here I have two data set. First is without using absolute references. Second is using absolute references for fixed cost and variable cost. Here fixed cost, variable cost is there. It is written only here, not all the places. But I need the result for all these places. So here, if I write formula as like this, G5 plus G6 asterisk G8, only these three is highlighted. So we got the result like this. Now suppose I am removing this. Now I want to bring the result here. But if I click on it and press and then pull it up to here and release this, you get all 0. It means without using absolute references. So we are not getting these results because there is no value here as well. This value only used here. These two value, fixed cost and variable cost, only used here, but these two are not used here. If we would write this, it would be, but why 2? Because we want to save our time without writing this. So without writing this, if we want to use this for all these places, then we need to change our formula. We cannot write like this G5, G6, G8. What we need to do? We have to use like this. See G13, both sides of G there will be dollar. Again this one G14, I mean this one G13, G14, again G14, both sides of G there will be dollar. Then only when we will pull this up to here, then automatically these two value will be calculated for this, though we did not write these two values here. This is called using absolute referencing. So let's remove this. Now this is our value. If I press here and pull it up to here, now release it, you see you got the results. Now if you click any one of it, see here you click it, and if I click it twice, I mean this one, you see these two are used here. Everywhere it is used because I use this formula using this dollar symbol. Here I did not use it. This is very important also. In so many tables we have to do like this way, formula to be set like that. Now this one I have to show mixed referencing. Mixed referencing means I want to use the data from X direction and Y direction, but this will be used in a way that suppose when I want to multiply all this value by 2 only, so 2 is common for all this full line. So in that case I have to use dollar symbol in different way. For an example, here 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4. So what I did, this is actually E6. E6, before E I use dollar. There is no dollar after E. In my previous slide, previous discussion, it was for both. But here we are taking from both sides. That is why it is mixed referencing. So dollar will be before E when I am taking this value, and this value dollar will be after F. So one side, one direction, it will be before the cell reference, cell this capital letters, this letter what we are using, this column name, and here it will be after the column name. This is F. Now we got 4. So what we can do, click on it and pull it, release it, you get all the values. Because these all getting value from here, but all are multiplied by these 2. Again, now highlighting this, pull it down and release it, you get the value. So 144, it is 12 multiplied by 12. You see, look at here, you see the value E 11 and K 5. We get 144. That's all for today.